Meaning of foe.
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 Foe. The word foe refers to an enemy or opponent. It is used to describe someone who is actively opposing, competing against, or trying to harm another person or group. A foe can be a personal or professional rival, political adversary, military opponent, or any other individual or organization that poses a threat to one's interests or goals. As a noun, it implies hostility or animosity towards the subject, while as a verb it means to act in opposition to someone or something. Overall, foe has a negative connotation and suggests conflict or confrontation.